Now that you have made up your mind, so let's start our paper and let's start our course as well. Basically, choosing a gene family and a plant is very important. This is our first step of this research guide. So basically, what is a gene family? What does choosing a gene family means? A gene family is a set of several similar genes formed by duplication of single original gene. For example, if we got a gene, we have to blast it against different other homologs in plants, and we get the same genes by homologs identification. And generally, with the biochemical function as well, we can identify the homologs. One such family are the genes for human hemoglobin subunit. For example, I'm saying that the 10 genes are in the two clusters on different chromosomes called the alpha globin, and on the other side of the is called beta globin loci. So now that you have idea what a gene family is, it's a member of same original gene that are found by homologs. Choosing a plant. What is a plant? For identifying the function of genes, we have to identify the homologs in certain plant. So we are going to choose a plant which we are going to be discussing and focusing on. So, found in the specific gene family, we have to choose a plant. We choose a plant to get our work done for identifying the different other homologs interaction with the genes. So now that you have clear cut idea what a gene family is, what a plant is, now we are getting start of the basic database which we are going to look through and which we are going to see all gene families that are present there. So we are going to choose the tire database. So I'm also going to show you how to choose a gene family, how to choose a plant. So don't worry about this at all. So let's start. So we are going to choose a gene family for our research purpose. So basically I explained what a gene family is, how it contains all the member and everything. So let's go and start with choosing a gene family. For that you have to just go to the tire database. Just type tire in your favorite web browser and it will show you that the Arabidopsis information resource. Tire maintains a database of genetic and molecular biological data for the model higher plant Arabidopsis thaliana. So it is a Arabidopsis thaliana database. So I'm just gonna open its home page. After opening the home page, in the tab bar you can see there is a browse section. So in the browse section you can also see there is a gene families tab. So these are the gene families that are presented here. In the this page you can see that there are gene family name, family count, gene count, and who is the submitter of this gene family. So the researcher around the world predicts this gene family and they submit it. So for that we are going to choose a gene family for us, because I'm gonna show you how to do all this stuff and all these analysis. I'm gonna choose a small gene family because it's not gonna take a lot of much time of yours. So basically what we have to do is we have to just choose a gene family which contains a member around 25 to 50 gene counts. So that's why a good research paper can be written on it and a lot of information is also covered in it. So for our gene family we have chose single MYB histone, which is also called SMH gene family. So we're gonna search SMH and it's gonna show us the single MYB histone gene family. So in this page you can see that the gene family name single MYB histone, which is also called SMH, sorry. So protein name is TRB1, TRB2. So these are the names that are just initiated by the founders who founded this gene family. So genomic locus is also present and accession number is also present for the tire database. And the comment is that they are the member of single MYB histone gene family. So we're gonna just open this accession number and see if these are present. So I'm just gonna open a one. In the sequence retrieval section, we are also going to retrieve the sequences. So don't worry about this. So we can see that these families members are present in the NCBI database and that is good for us. So after choosing a gene family, let's see what how this gene family was discovered. What was the reason behind the discovery of this gene family? So, what was the topic behind? So, the person who did these experiments, so there was a research article by Marin COB, Broadley, J. Bolts, and different other research workers who published this idea that Z-maze cDNA for sequence similar to the single MYB-like DNA domain for telomatic complex protein. So they did it on the basis of proteins that we are also going to do. So we can just see that how this publication is important for us. So we're just gonna say that single maize, which is also a plant. So histone 1 gene belongs to the novel gene family and encode a protein that bind to the telomere DNA repeat in vitro. So it explains that this gene family contains these members which have a lot of similar with the novel gene family of SMH1. So that's why they have made this gene family and characterized it. So how we can search this paper? So for that we're just gonna open Google Scholar Google. I'm just gonna search for that and open the Google Scholar tab, and here I'm gonna paste the name of this paper. Just gonna copy that and paste that here. So it shows us that this paper is written in the also present in the Google Scholar. So it opens up like this. So it is published in Plant Physiology Journal. So here we can see that it is present and we can also download it. So I think that is good for us and that the paper is being downloaded. So once it downloaded, I'll show you how they did it, how the members they wrote in their paper how they discovered these members. So here is the paper. You should also download it, and I will also provide it in the tabs. So here they did different type of experiment. They made a tree, phylogenetic tree. They did the sequence retrieval analysis. They did a sequence analysis, and they also made a table for the protein domain, location, and e-value which they covered from the blast. We are Don't worry about it. We are also going to do this kind of stuff. So here you can see they made a comparison domain organization with the MSH. So what they specifically did, what we are not going to do, is the in-lab work. Which is this? So in-lab work represented here is in silico identification using the gel of genomic DNA digest. So we are not going to do this because we don't have a lab right now to show you how this is done. So basically what we are going to do, we are going to stick with the in vivo analysis with in silico analysis which is on the computer. So there is a lot to learn right now, so don't worry about it. So this is where we chose our gene family. So we have choose our gene family. Now we are going to choose a plant which we are going to do this analysis. So in the next lecture, I will show you how to choose a plant where and how to also analyze these sequences, and different other stuff is also coming on the next lecture. So that was it for this video.